Atoms. An atom is a particle of matter that uniquely defines a chemical element. An atom consists of a central nucleus that is surrounded by one or more negatively charged electrons. The nucleus is positively charged and contains one or more relatively heavy particles known as protons and neutrons. Molecules are made up of one or more atoms. If they contain more than one atom, the atoms can be the same. An oxygen molecule has two oxygen atoms, or different. A water molecule has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Biological molecules, such as proteins and DNA, can be made up of many thousands of atoms. Cells, the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism, which is typically microscopic and consists of cytoplasm and a nucleus enclosed in a membrane. Tissue is a group of cells that have similar structure and that function together as a unit. A non-living material, called the intercellular matrix, fills the spaces between the cells. This may be abundant in some tissues and minimal in others. The intercellular matrix may contain special substances such as salts and fibers that are unique to a specific tissue and gives that tissue distinctive characteristics. There are four main tissue types in the body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous. Each is designed for specific functions. Organelles are specialized structures that perform various jobs inside cells. The term literally means little organs. In the same way, organs, such as the heart, liver, stomach, and kidneys, serve specific functions to keep an organism alive. Organelles serve specific functions to keep a cell alive. Organs in biology. An organ, from the Latin organum, meaning an instrument or tool, is a collection of tissues that structurally form a functional unit specialized to perform a particular function. Your heart, kidneys, and lungs are examples of organs. Organ systems. The 11 organ systems include the respiratory system, digestive and excretory system, urinary circulatory system, integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular endocrine system, lymphatic system, nervous system, and reproductive systems. Organisms, a living thing made up of one or more cells and able to carry on the activities of life as using energy, growing, or reproducing organism. Population. A population is the complete set group of individuals, whether that group comprises a nation or a group of people with a common characteristic. Community. A community is a social group whose members have something in common, such as a shared government, geographic location, culture, or heritage. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as weather and landscape, work together to form a bubble of life. Ecosystems contain biotic or living parts, as well as abiotic factors, or non-living parts. Biome. A biome is an area classified according to the species that live in that location. Temperature range, soil type, and the amount of light and water are unique to a particular place and form the niches for specific species, allowing scientists to define the biome. Biosphere. The biosphere is made up of the parts of Earth where life exists, all ecosystems. The biosphere extends from the deepest root systems of trees, to the dark environments of ocean trenches, to lush rainforests, high mountain tops, and transition zones like this one, where ocean and terrestrial ecosystems meet.